Hey, Bob, is someone a bit excited? We're going on a big trip.
I'm ready.
Yeah, we're both ready, aren't we?
Can't wait. Can't wait. And we've got warmer weather. So good.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Cool. Thanks for coming.
So you got camping straight up.
Now we've got to book the...
That's free.
Oh, cool. So just... Still no book, it's just first in, best dressed.
I think so.
Nice.
It's 6 o'clock in the morning. We're just pulling up here to have a quick snooze, check out the waterfalls, and then we'll work out where we head on after this. Well, the old air cooler on lithium batteries just saved our butts, didn't it?
Oh, yeah, that was warm last night.
That was stinking hot. Our on lithium, we've still got 94%.
We are currently at Wannon Falls, so it's W-A-N-N-O-N. We stayed overnight. There's a caravan-friendly tents, camp trailers, whatever you like. They're good area, got a decent area in the sites, I think, haven't they?
Yeah.
It's a bit of a drive-through.
Yeah, it's pretty good, yeah.
You can have. So yeah, and then you go around the circle to come back out, and it's just like not even a minute drive back down to the main public car park where you can walk to the waterfalls, and it's a little watering hole, and you can swim and fish there, so let's go check it out.
Let's do it. So which way we go? Straight through here. So it's only a viewing area, it doesn't say it's taking us down or anything. Yeah, they need to, the rangers need to do their job, don't they?
Barbecue area.
Oh yeah, another one. They're quite nice, the barbecue areas and that, aren't they?
Yeah.
I think we've seen enough water for a lifetime, haven't we?
Haven't seen enough
Oh, listen to it.
waterfalls. Okay, good.
There is something. Starting to hear that roar.
Alright, so we've got a viewing platform, and we've just got to work out how to get down there. Oh yeah,
Ah, yeah, boy.
look at that.
Oh, beautiful.
Wow, hey. She is flowing well, as you would expect after all this rain that we've had.
Yeah, beautiful, isn't it? Pretty dirty, bub. Hey?
It is, isn't it?
Yeah.
You want to swim in it. There's just too much water flowing down from everywhere.
Yeah, so the Wannon waterfalls are about an hour and 20 minutes out of Warrnambool. So yeah, it's Nothing magnificent, but it's worth a look. It's quite nice. Alright, so this is Port Fairy.
Yes, we were lucky enough to get one night's accommodation at the, was it South Combe Caravan Park?
Yeah.
So, I don't think we've been here before, have we?
No. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that.
Wow.
That's pretty fucking gorgeous, isn't it? Now, this is nice.
Port Campbell.
It's looking pretty sweet. How beautiful is this?
Absolutely gorgeous. Just a nice little beach area, isn't it?
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Right, lunchtime.
Pretty little place. Wow, Port Campbell. What a beautiful little place this is.
It's gorgeous, isn't it? And the town, the main street, it's not very big, but it's just quaint. And all the little shops and the galleries, a couple of pubs. Yeah, it's a really pretty place, worth a visit.
Oh, absolutely. It's one of them beautiful places that, especially if you stay in the caravan park, which we didn't, you can... the caravan park is right next to the town.
Yeah.
So you don't need to drive around, you don't need to do anything.
Yeah.
Fantastic. I think next time we go there, we'll probably stay in the caravan park.
Yeah.
Location, location, location.
Absolutely, yeah. It's just basically the caravan park is in town, straight across the road to a pub and shops and straight to the beach. It's a nice little beach, like a little alcove. Yeah.
The whole town is very pretty.
It is.
Just nice and green.
Yeah.
With a nice beach. What else do you want?
Yeah.
Plenty of eateries and an ice creamery and cafes.
Yeah. It took us back a little bit, didn't it?
We weren't expecting it to be so nice.
And it actually is a good base camp.
Well, we checked out the Sow and Piglet brewery, and that was a quite nice little place. It was very different.
It was, wasn't it?
Yeah, the guy was nice enough to make us some after-hour pizzas because we couldn't find anywhere to eat.
I think it was like a frozen pizza.
Yeah, it wasn't. I didn't like the pizza, but that's just me. But it was lovely in there. Really nice little spot. What was different about it was the fact that they've got accommodation and that as well. But everyone in there, they're all sitting around playing
chess, drafts, Monopoly, or kicking back reading books.
Yeah.
It was one of the most laid back pubs I've ever been to. Yeah.
A bit of fun. Yeah. They even had a jigsaw puzzle there that's just ongoing, and people just add little bits and pieces of the 12 Apostles, I think, back in the day. Yeah, so that was a bit cool. But look, you can't go wrong anywhere at Port Campbell.
I don't think so.
There's something to see.
Yeah.
Something for everyone.
Yeah, exactly.
Where are we, Gibbo?
I don't know.
Port Campbell Recreational
Campground, that's it.
Good spot. Basically, they get very busy during the holidays, but if you can come in, pick out a spot, and yeah, try your luck. It's basically right in town.
It's not too bad a view either over there.
Yeah.
This is the unpowered section.
I gather that's camp kitchen up there, but we'll have a look later. The Bay of Islands is definitely worth a look. It's 40 kilometres out of Port Campbell. And just a heads up, if you are towing a caravan or camper trailer, the car park is easy access with a few spots to pull into. It's a big loop, so if all the parking is taken, then it's easy to get out. We actually drove in not knowing what we're in for. We were just lucky that it turned out well. But it would be nice if they could signpost the lookouts and just let you know if they are RV friendly. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.